Hey guys, I just replaced a 2001 Honda Accord 4-door sedan LX. The engine size is 2.3 liter ULEV VTEC motor. I checked several places. Oh, by the way, this is upstream air fuel ratio sensor. I replaced the upstream, and as it is right now, the lights is gone. I don't know how long it'll come back. Hopefully that'll take care of it with this replacement sensor. I checked several places, and price is variable. Highest is 400 something, the lowest is 80 something, and I took the medium price. It's 237. I checked Amazon.com, and it's only for the same sensor. It costs about $138 something. So you have to shop around or order from Amazon.com. The parts number is 234 dash. Can't remember the parts number, but I'll definitely show you guys what parts number on the package. I gave the VIN number, and the counter still gave me the wrong part. So hopefully this one would work. I'll give you guys update couple days. Thanks.